Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends, your go-to destination for the latest in smartphone technology. Before we dive into the exciting details of Samsung's upcoming flagship, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Samsung is set to redefine smartphone excellence with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. From its sleek design to groundbreaking features, let's explore what makes this device a game-changer. The Galaxy S26 Ultra boasts a refined design, potentially thinner than its predecessor, thanks to innovative camera module engineering. The device is expected to feature a 6.81-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED2X display with a 165 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the S26 Ultra's camera setup. Anticipated features include a 200-megapixel main sensor with updated pixels and a new lens, enhancing image quality. The device may also introduce a variable aperture lens, allowing for better adaptability in various lighting conditions. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, delivering top-tier performance. Rumors suggest a notable battery upgrade, potentially up to 5,000 mAh, by possibly removing the internal S Pen slot to put up the larger battery. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is anticipated to launch on January 17, 2026, with pricing starting around $1,299 for the base model with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Higher storage variants may be priced at $1,499 and $1,699 for 512 GB and 1 TB, respectively. With its cutting-edge design, powerful performance, and innovative features, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is poised to set new standards in the smartphone industry. Are you excited about this upcoming release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in technology.